Hello guys, what's up? You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's rescue in this tutorial Gmail password. In case you don't have Gmail password, you don't have the Google accounts, recovery email and recovery phones. However, how do you recover? We will see what's the best alternative, especially rescue options, so that easily we can rescue by using any smartphones. We will see live here. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device, now he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that he can recover of this Gmail. So now either your device is a hijacked, hacked, stolen, of course. Now easily you can rescue and you can save your data. So what are the best alternative approach we will see here. Here is a thing that of course answer as many questions as you can. Second, use device where we have yes, use the before. And the third is that if any alternative email is linked with this, especially the particular this email or family links, then if your account is managed with any family links or especially any alternative email, then we have sent an email to you the parents to the change your password. We cannot afford three all options because this is beyond of us to attempt, and by a common method he attempted too much to the rescue of it. So I'm not going to click again and again, so maybe especially this account would be a freeze for a time being. So what's the alternative option? Can I have the more options to the rescue of it? Of course this can be the possible. We will come to Play Store. In the Play Store we have one options, and that is a up browser. Of course we will go for installation, so let's tap to install it. It's scarcely 6 MB of especially total size of this browser, so it has started to install now. On the other hand, we have two changes that is very crucial. We will come in a Google and we will hold especially Gmail product, especially Google browser. In Google browser, of course, we will tap on the notification, guys, and tap on it, make it disable. Notification you will have enabled. So take any smartphones, apply this a similar strategy. We will tap on especially the locations. And we will make it the customized precise location and the phone of course off, and go for here, don't allow any page. So now this thing is very crucial to make it especially remove permission and free of space disable. Then we will back one more time, and here you will have a set as a defaults. Tap on it. This open supported links, this you will have enabled, so make it clear and then make it disable it. And thereupon of course we will cut it from here. Similarly, of course, we will have to do a similar step in a Chrome browser, because this is also the product of especially Google. So we will come on here, notification make it off, then we will come now once again here. Two times I have clicked delay response, because of that it's happened. So once again we will have to come in especially Chrome browser, and thereupon of course we will come once again here, free up space off, and then of course we will come in permissions too. Of course we will come in especially locations. In location here, make it the precise location off, and then we will click on here, go for allow. Don't allow anyway, so no longer the function as intended finds. Now the free of space is already disabled, so everything should we have done from my sides. Now it's the time to open this browser. So here it has been installed. Now we are going to open it. So here directly on this we'll have to write nothing much more, just we will have to write Google, and see how easily this can be recovered, guys. When we tap on a Google's, and we will go for OK, yes, and then let's tap on this. It's taking times, let's see. Yes, it's taking time, so we will go for here, right here. Google, we will go for here next. Here we will have option especially sign, so tap at the corner of the sign. When we tap, and directly would be here. And what we will do here just simply we will have to write in this particular Gmail. How easily especially picks this Gmail from say especially this. Now here we will have to go for forgot password because we don't have. Now that we don't have a device guys, so first we will go for here. Now we don't have a especially phones last password. Now this number is registered with this special ID, so this is a verified ID guys. Text and calls. Now just we will go for don't have. Now we can see here is a more tips to address of these accounts, answer as many questions as we can, use a device where we have the sign in before, and if your account is managed with a family link, should we have sent the emails to you, the parents to the change your password. Three options we quit, we will yes, have the picks. We have to the pick is more tips to address of these accounts, but don't click on here try again. So because this can be recovered surely if it is coming more tips to address of this or recover. Simply we'll have to tap on a setting. In setting in any smartphones, you will have the one facility that is the Google services and preferences. Here just simply we will click on a especially three dot, and here is a help option given. Fines. In a help option, what we will do guys here we will have to in a help search bar we will have to write a hacked. So when we will click on a hacked, then Gmail recovery, of course, hacked Gmail recovery, this option will be open, and here easily we can see that secure or hacked and compromised Gmail accounts. We will have to tap on it. So when we tap on it, then this page will be open guys. Here we will have to come and scroll. Here is a use your account activity, and the use especially the review which devices you use. So if you would like to see the how many devices are locked with this particular ID, then you can go for here, but right now I'm not going with this especially, just we will go for review your account activities, and there is options the find out if your account has been hacked. Click on it, and yes, this page will be open here, and of course here these changes to address of this we will go for. Now here what we will have to do, just to see we can confirm it in that here is a two option, the create a replacement account, and second is the avoid getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. So two option is a comics, means we will have to click on this arrow. When we will click on here, directly we would be in a especially recovery mode automatically guys, and here simple this ID will be recommended to the rescue because, and we will go for yes next and see directly. Of course this ID has been especially recovered finally. Now we are not going to do, don't make a stupid things by clicking on a continue, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify your option. You don't have a special phone number because it's a verified Gmail, so we'll go for a especially update password. When we tap on it, now here is especially options to the creates password, confirm password, and go for save it. Don't escape. After saving you will come in a Gmail account recovery, and in a Gmail account recovery what we will do guys here, firstly add an email as a recovery, and therefore we can remove the recovery phone number that is verified with this array, and thereupon we can add a new phone number. So easily this array and the permanently fully secured will be secured guys. Further we cannot add because this will be on a live screen, so this would be yes, as we know that it would be in a public domain, so maybe a data privacy concern of this viewer. So this is all about guys, and how to like this tutorial. Don't forget, leave feedbacks in the comment box. If you are unable to execute these things, then of course you can raise the query, and of course you can leave your emails below the comments box. Yes, I will pick one, and yes, I will rescue live in a public domain. Your RE would be special on this channel, so if you don't have any privacy concern and if you don't mind, then of course no problem at all, then you can leave, and I will surely the rest of your emails. So thank you very much indeed for this tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you for wasting technology welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.